My name is Jishan and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this awe-inspiring slow-motion sequence, we are taken on a journey into the world of high-speed cinematography. In this captivating super slow-motion sequence, we are taken on a mesmerizing journey as a high-velocity bullet pierces through an innocent apple. The entire event is captured with unprecedented clarity and precision, using an astonishing 49,000 frames super slow-motion camera. With a sudden burst of energy, the bullet is propelled forward, hurtling towards the unsuspecting apple. The camera tracks the bullet's path in astounding slow motion, allowing us to follow its trajectory with unmatched clarity and detail. As the bullet meets its target, we witness an extraordinary display of destruction. The super slow-motion camera captures the precise moment of impact, revealing the incredible force as the bullet tears through the apple's flesh and pulp. Into the world of high-speed cinematography, witnessing the dramatic impact of a bullet hitting a cell phone. The entire spectacle is captured with remarkable precision and clarity, thanks to the cutting-edge Phantom Flex 4K high-speed camera. As the bullet connects with the cell phone, a mesmerizing display of chaos ensues. The camera captures the exact moment of impact, revealing the bullet's incredible energy as it disintegrates the cell phone into an explosion. Collision of a heavy concrete block and a television screen. The entire scene is captured with incredible detail and clarity, thanks to the high-speed Phantom Flex 4K camera operating at an astonishing 1000 frames. As the block makes contact with the television, a spectacular display of destruction unfolds before our eyes. The screen shatters into a mosaic of glass fragments, creating a breathtaking visual spectacle. The block continues its trajectory, causing the television to buckle and deform under the immense force. Thanks to the phenomenal Phantom camera operating at an astounding 6,900 frames, suddenly, the tub detonates with a thunderous pop, sending a shower of cheese puffs soaring into the air. The camera captures every moment of this explosion with unparalleled detail, revealing the intricate motion of each individual puff as they disperse in slow motion. We are treated to the mesmerizing spectacle of an egg splattering, recorded with remarkable precision and detail using the powerful Phantom camera at an astonishing 6,900 frames. With a sudden release of energy, the egg is dropped, and the camera captures its descent in stunning slow motion. The egg's graceful fall is transformed into a ballet of motion, as we witness every subtle movement and change in shape. We are treated to the mesmerizing sight of quail eggs gently boiling in water, surrounded by an abundance of bubbling excitement. The entire scene is captured with exceptional clarity and precision, using a high-speed camera operating at an impressive 240 frames. With the heat turned up, the water begins to dance with life as bubbles rise to the surface, creating a symphony of motion and texture. The camera captures every bubble as they form and pop, giving us an up-close view of this captivating phenomenon. I must emphasize that performing any potentially dangerous activities, such as burning or hitting a cell phone with a hammer, can result in harm or damage. It is essential to prioritize safety and avoid engaging in any activities that could pose risks to yourself or others. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on more fascinating slow-motion spectacles. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future creations. Share this video with your friends and family, so they can also witness the beauty of slow-motion cinematography. Let's spread the wonder and amazement together.